Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I'm going to answer how you can create a trust in Indiana. You really don't need a lawyer, but the problem with not having a lawyer create the trust is that you might be putting in terms or not putting in terms, and your wishes later on may not be able to be carried out. But all you need is a piece of paper, and on the piece of paper in the document you want to write who the trustor or who the person who is establishing the trust is, and that would be the trustor, the settlor, or the grantor. Okay, and that could be me. So I'm preparing the trust. I write down I, Guy DiMartino, am the grantor of this Guy DiMartino trust. And then you have to identify the trustee. The trustee would be the person that's going to manage the trust. And then you can appoint I, Guy DiMartino, am the initial trustee. And then if something happens to me, or if I'm unable to carry out the duties of trustee, I have a successor trustee, so-and-so. And then the beneficiaries. The beneficiaries could be, my beneficiaries could be your kids, your grandkids, a charity, whatever it is. And then the document is signed, and then the document is notarized. And within the body of the document, you may have the rules and regulations that you want to have. And if you don't put in the specific duties and responsibilities and powers of the trustee, then Indiana statute would fill that in, because trustees in Indiana have certain responsibilities and certain powers. And there you have it. You have a trust. So then you have the document. And then you have to go out and fund the trust. It's great having a document, but you got to put stuff in the trust if you want your stuff to be dispersed or handled by your rules under the trust. You can do this by yourself, but many times when I see folks who have done trust by themselves, there's usually problems, and the problems usually arise after they've passed away, when things cannot really be changed, and it can cause disputes between families. So it's better to at least become educated on how to do it, or at least speak with a lawyer so they can give you some advice. If you have any questions about creating a trust, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have a great day.